Plushy. It's time. Go save the world. Ow.
It's about a third of the way full, babe.
It's time to go save the world. And we just go open the door. Locked. Okay, made it outside. Fight a little bit of crime. Camera down. Cameraman, camera down. Camera down. Now you need to ask me if you want to record.
Hey, can I record?
Sure. Next time ask me.
Oh yeah, like, this is actually a new plushie. I got it today. So, he might be all, in the channel and stuff. So, wait. Whoa. Ooh. Okay, just get back. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so fun.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh. Hey guys. Oh. Woo. That is hard. Jumping around the block. I'm just jumping around the block. This camera up. Put you on my hands. You know, I just gotta get the cameraman. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks, Frogger.
You're welcome, and I told my name is Frogger. Ooh, it's close. Now let's just go back inside, Mr. Man.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Stop recording. Okay. Okay. Stop recording.
And also, go check out Continue Boy. He's the one that made me. He's the one that helped me find one of these. And helped me find it at Walmart. Just get it right.
Okay, I'm inside. It's time to cut off this painful thing. Okay, it's right. Come in, get it. Okay, I got this painful thing off my butt. I don't even know why. It's near my butthole. It's okay. Okay. Kita. Kita, what are you doing? Kita, what are you doing? Kita. Get over here. What are you doing? Is that a mad stress ball? Oh my gosh, mad stress ball feels weird. What are you doing? I'm not even. I guess it's been 7 minutes already. Guys, I'm gonna have to leave you. Bye.